Hi, this is SP recording for beadsandfashion.com. This time we are going to learn how to use flat nose pliers. Flat nose pliers can be used in numerous ways. Now we learn 3 ways how to use it. When you do wire wrapping, normally you use your round nose pliers to create loops. Like if you want a bigger loop, you might use the base of your round nose pliers. If you want smaller loops, you might use the tip of your wire. But if you want sharp bends anywhere, you have to use your flat nose pliers. For example, like this. This gives a proper 90-degree bend compared to your round nose pliers. Another way to use your flat nose pliers is when you have to hold small objects but your hands do not give that much grip. For example, when you open and close jump rings, you can hold your jump ring with your flat nose pliers, and the proper way to open it without distorting the shape is to use your round nose pliers or another plier to open it this way, sideways. And then after you want to insert your other findings, you can insert it and close it back to its former shape. That way the shape of the jump ring is retained and it won't get distorted. The wrong way to open and close jump rings would be to open it out like this and then closing it again. This will distort the shape as well as compromise the strength of the jump ring, which will break at this place. So the proper way should be to open it sideways and close it back. Another way to use your flat nose pliers is to shut your crimp beads tight. For example, when you have beading wire or your tiger tail and you want to start beading, before that normally what we do is use a crimp bead or a gear lock. You insert the wire into your crimp bead, you add your finding which you want to use to finish your necklace or bracelet, you bring back the beading wire into the crimp bead and reinsert it inside, and after that there are pliers called crimping pliers available, but you can easily use your flat nose pliers to press the crimp bead shut. Now it will stay put in place and you can start stringing your beads from the other side. So this is how you can use your flat nose pliers.